the easiest way to prepare the perfect barbecue chicken. To start, we'll need 3 chicken thighs and drumsticks. Here's the first secret: making strategic cuts in the meat. Use a sharp knife and make cuts on top of the chicken on both sides. These cuts help the seasoning penetrate better, ensuring an even more incredible flavor in every bite. After making the cuts, transfer the chicken to a large container. Now, let's prepare the seasoning. Start by adding 200 milliliters of lemon soda, the juice of 1 orange, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix well so that the liquid coats all the chicken pieces. This dish is juicy, full of flavor, and perfect for surprising everyone. To make the chicken even more flavorful, let's add 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce, a little black pepper to taste, 3 crushed garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Mix everything very well, making sure each piece of chicken is completely covered in the sauce, absorbing all the flavors. Cover the container with a lid and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 1 hour. If you can leave it longer, the flavor will be even more intense. Now, grab a large skillet and heat a drizzle of olive oil. When it's hot, add the chicken pieces and let them fry well on both sides. This step is important to create that irresistible golden crust that gives the dish flavor and texture. And if you're still watching, it means you're enjoying this recipe. So don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to let us know if you like it. Once the chicken is well browned, it's time to add the rest of our sauce directly to the skillet. Try making it today and surprise your family with the best barbecue chicken. Let me know if you like receiving chicken or meat recipes, so I can bring more recipes of your preference. For the final touch, add some chopped parsley on top. It brings freshness and a beautiful presentation to the dish. And our skillet barbecue chicken is ready. It's perfect to serve with rice, salad, or even bread as an amazing sandwich. Share this recipe with barbecue lovers and tell us in the comments, what's your secret to seasoning chicken? Let's exchange tips and ideas because this recipe will make everyone's mouth water. Let us know, have you ever used soda or any unusual ingredient in chicken seasoning? Share your experience. And also, share your favorite recipe in the comments. We want to know the secrets and tips you use to make your recipes even more special. See you in the next recipe.